Here we go again. I'm gonna guide you through today's home training.
To warm up, we do a Tabata, alternating mountain climbers and air squats.
Tabata is the intensity interval training where you work for 20 seconds and you rest for 10 seconds and do so 8 rounds.
Start in a high plank position. The shoulders are over the wrist, the legs are extended behind you and your back is flat. Engage the core, pull the knee into the chest and then straighten it again and change side. March to maintain form. The stance is shoulder width. The hips descend back and down with the knees in line with your toes. The hips descend lower than the knees, breaking parallel. Maintain the lumbar curve and keep the heels down, completing full hip and knee extension at the top.
Okay, let's do this. Find an app in the internet to help you get the timing right. So I hope you guys are warm. Today's workout is as many rounds as possible in 10 minutes of
10 weighted shoulder press, then 10 weighted lunges and 10 burpee towel jump over. The stance is hip width and the hands are outside the shoulders. The elbows are slightly in front of the body, looking for support to press. The rib cage is down. Move the head out of the way and push vertically. Drive the head through until full lockout. Don't let your back overarch, and the rep is completed at full arm extension. One leg steps forward. Keep the back straight and the chin up. Lower the torso until the back knee barely touches the ground. Make sure your forward knee doesn't go past your toes. Use the hamstrings and glutes to push yourself up into standing position again. The rep is complete at full knee and hip extension. Jump back to push-up position and lower the chest and thighs to the ground. Push up and jump the feet back towards the hand. Step up if you need to scale this movement. Jump with a 2-foot takeoff over the towel. That's one rep. Then repeat.
For those of you who want to get ripped while staying at home,
don't skip core training. Let's do 3 sets of 20 seconds plank hold, hollow hold and sit-ups. The elbows are stacked underneath the shoulders. Keep the back flat and squeeze the glutes and your core. Look at your hands to keep the neck in line with your spine and breathe. Lay on your back and kick your legs up into the ceiling. The legs are straight and the toes are pointed. Lift the shoulders up. Lower the legs without losing the back position. The arms reach behind. Hold them next to your ears. Maintain this neutral position with the back on the ground. Keep the feet flat on the floor. Inhale on the way down, exhale on the way up, pushing the lower back and the tailbone into the floor.
3, 2, 1, go!
Have fun!